Yamwachi biem dase do Badwam TV Badwam so yadani te kotegwa se ne nkwanshan sama no penso ode amaye de adu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ni dom kuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu de nafo aduonu baako ama governor ohwe Bank of Ghana so no na bedi akiremienu no won sori adedie so na ne ma ekonwonwonan dodo yade honsam no ebebramo ke mempenifo ohwe ni mu kwanse ne tricycle riders aduonu edumienu wadom kwa kogina adaka mu eno ne sembi ena anopai mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase hweme live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no aye 280 medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se den nsam ni kyeremu ankasa etie ekukuma wo mrahye bedwafiem ede aduonu baako ato ho ama Bank of Ghana Governor Dr. Adom na so afo mienu no se wo mu mfrade die no so wo mu anye eye 21 days no a wo mu ankasa be kire wo mu kwan Adom TV kase etwaso.
So recklessly, the government of Ghana has so recklessly mismanaged the central bank and brought it to its knees and cannot remain at the helm of affairs of the bank without being held accountable. Those who have led this reckless and criminal conduct unleashed economic hardship and financial distress on the suffering people of Ghana must be held accountable. In this regards, we in the NDC call for the immediate resignation of the governor of the central bank and his deputies within 21 days.
Kitaundi aba fotene de ma NDC amanyokuo no samejamfi enso ekiremu a ebra na NDC amanyokuo no ewa akonya so no Bank of Ghana nyamfaso bum yie pa mebi kura abroso ma onyabi edisi Bank of Ghana Hospital a ewo cantonments wankra ha eho adansi ewo ho
Bank of Ghana nya sika kura timi disi ayaresa bia kese ena okọ cantonment a ye wo Bank of Ghana Hospital emra fofianto ata yarebo ni coronavirus ebeto yeso ani yenya baabi mfa no sa Bank of Ghana ya the nation builder Yura Mahama ne Bank of Ghana for see no ene boa wo man no
wasantamantamu KMA assembly no ne se wo mo atwi pragea ne abobo ya mea bi ewo hono mu a eni wo kwan se wo mo efa honti eduadare ne wo mo hyase yi wo mfiri ho wi akire menteme ho ase ko ba mu ma wo na atwi pragea nim ne ade kosese ne ma KMA fo toto bo posifo he obi anya ne hye eneme ka sei ya che nipa du mienu a isusuo se de course wo munim hu bi ntine yedam kwa kogina daka mu Adom kase edebe
aha KMFo atenaye emra pragiafo no eba ye no mo pese wo mu ewura mu enam se wo mu enya kwan ewura mu enam bambofo na egua ni ntino mo hyase so mbeto emoba eni ti se wo hwefo me hase ya emoba ni bi na egugu ya se no utimi se bi wo abububu eni ade se wo hwe hase ya enua edua na da ha aboba we esuye pa se wo hwe mo je egugu ya se ya enya wonwa se please ni bi eni ho apai na moja enyunu no eya rehosam enesi ha ni na eni se wo mo pese KMFo emomo ekwan na wo mutimi ayi adwuma e wo CBD mekire adum pampaso Dr. Mensa ene de kaka ho afia kunadu kasamafo edema KMA wode tudwa se eno ada no emre mo hya omudwumadie ase no enkyekere hodo pina ekoso eno nti wo mo aso ye den ena mo kyekye mo pragia no ede ba KMA ho no enam se na abufuo ewo pragiafo no munti wo mo di tumi ehyo mo nsem ba KMA ho se ankombese so mo pragia ako
Omoko gange up people numbering in their 200s or 300 say forcibly omobe fa de nefiho one che bibi a say a tricycle number A wodia into ube fan what if say a will be dia na ube we are every yard mu na face so say nipa kwone ba say obeye amamre fa tricycle no ho na fe ye hu ne dia into yeso ye ya dwen say until say nipa kwona ye ne dia no beba na emra ewo ho anasa asame ewo ho yaka no nya de bema nti e ho anomde ahoden so ene atwitwa asem ede wura ya de nim so mo koyi obo ena ma eye team aye ni omo ye adwuma nso resist say nya de obema omaye nti no e na wo so omode etoto ebo mpanyimfo no nti mu pra police fo ni bi be enuma asensia me no ka say omo okay me clinic honom e na mpanyimfo no so de achichi ebi e wo honom nti ebi so timi de miensa ekoye ba de aka no de e wo ya Adom honom akunum ye de mpanyimfo frɛ military ama mobile so mo netumi e be boy ma ye disperse e crowd no ma kwan ni so etumi eda honom ti o mobile ne hu say e stones na omo pedal no omu jaye na obia so etumika ba edi kan police ni ba ko eto warning shot or the fire ewem nti e hono so e ma shake kakra ba nkrofo mu na ojaye sebio ebo toto ne niam ano e no o start say open baby afa
afia kradu asan e ato edwa say
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso hye no medin afia amankwa tamaklo yeto so edom akoye nsamfoforo mu na law lecturer wo UPS ora abet kwashiga ena ose Ghana yamamra eye session 208 fa abonofosam ho no anke yensan hwehwemu ebiemu ne tichu de ebema nsantrofo aye wo madwuma ohun ne suro bia enimu no ose yesa hwe ho no mu biem oni Adom kase ato so.
I think that the current law, Section 208, the way it's framed, creates a lot of problems for journalists. Look, we've done it before. We have repealed laws in this country. I mean, if you look at Article 162 clause 5 of the Constitution, the responsibility that is imposed on journalists is a very serious one. Okay? Journalists are supposed to hold government accountable and responsible to the people of Ghana. There should never be any impediment in the performance of this function. And journalists must be free. When you commit that offense, it's a misdemeanor. It could land you in prison for 3 years. I mean, why should a journalist go to jail for even a year, you know, for a mistake which could have been handled in a different way?
Enwachi, President Emma Ghana Journalists Association, Albert Kwabena for Esoka de Kan say, so Wamakoya Association in Kwaidie, Wombe Sem, Rashibi Fiachiame, Nesembia Woka ye defense and Trejumano ho, won't seek a semina de or ye bema won why ha woma sitting mono, and Koyana for France some name mono, one more bit to one more.
Let me say, young boss say, the call from the speaker on the conditions of service on Central Fono, Yasum. I want to stand here as the principal spokesperson of the GJE. Say kasamafua me dance and chokubat and kuni na no ka say ye titum say emberedu say ese ye nyina no ye hwe.
Director General da Snit ano de to adwumawura ene adwumayefo nyina nim se Snit ntinto ho no wanye obi asudie ne nisuade hunu so obeye bie Dr. John of Written Crime ewo nisuade hunu ewo gidie sentinto ho no boaye yendache wanyini pa wontumi nya adwuma no ohia buburo a ede ebimo konsiedo empofiri mu kura no itime bra na asenti ewo so obi bia ehye no so na the Snit ntinto ho de adwuma ye wura wotua na adwuma ye fofo ede 2023 employers breakfast meeting ye koso won kran na Dr. Tenkran de sansemi etudwa
adwuma ye fo bebre omo we adwuma mu a they gladly contribute to the provident fund. And also the employer and also EDB count matching funds. But no the only the senior yo ene by a bassinet in so media me feel say no cry a sumbu more HM provident fund because near the bassinet no ye betu more than near the buy na say uhwe na utimu say ahoke kana omede koye provident fund no enni ho e bassinet na say bi ntwa yiye. Na mi boomani no mi hu se ne ntwa yie ne se amanfo bebre entisnet nase
Wasan edi tudwa se afi we June bosome no sika 132 million Ghana cedis ana womo agye free enwumakuo a womo entua Snit emma womo enwumafo no wasan di tudwa se Snit enye na adwen se ode sa omanfo yi ebekọ court na mmom womo hwe enim se omanfo so ebedi womo enhyehyeye so.
This year, ABR for the month up to the month of June, ABR we have about 132 million. But me nyabema, and yes, say me dese obesore no akofa adwuma wura say besin yankoko gina court. First of all, say weekend. Weekend there was a coffee ko ye do ya hono ne nam court. And send them fata. Enti ni ebedi kind say ye no ebedi nkita ho ne aka kiro say ye was said yes was so here. And in fact it's good business to do that.
Sama for the ma Sashi Dwaboso District Education Directorate yes Sylvester Japan. Nene wasi school mo fra won so school krono nyina won je school no twi pragia na afi galamsey en won mo ye won potam wa hadwin ye oni Adom TV kase edi nkomwe.
Adisiafo apem ahanwatwe ene aduonum mienu ena atenase a womo twere BEC ensosho wadwaboso mensirim watoye tefe mantamu kasamafo Edema District Education Directorate Sylvester Japan echiremu a adisiafo no afi biya won sote awde toto afrasa ho a womo atwere wondi kwotwere nsosho yi na womo edoso pa ochemse sese ekamaya se adisiafo edi won ho ahye prage atwie ene galamsey yemu a onya sika free monti enwomasua emfa won ho.
Most of the kids are also engaged in galamsey. And for that matter, instead of them to sit in the classroom for us to teach them, you will be seeing them in the galamsey site. And Pragia too is doing a lot of damage to the children. Some of them, as soon as they know how to drive, they engage themselves riding Pragia instead of going to school. So some of the boys are engaged in that business, getting money in their bucket, and for that matter, they are not taking their school serious. This is the problem. So the chiefs, the opinion leaders, and all other people who have a say in education should help us solve this problem.
Edwardano na yamma wohwe BAC one more ashase na ene make say yachi nipa mienu se exam sechi ana exam simukro no bo one mu ye bi wodun kwawo secondary technical center no wodun Upper Denchira East mensinimu wo finfini mantemu ya won ne Albert Adujan ne ya wo adade onyina ya checherefo Adom kase edeba
Enrajo aposifo echere enipa mienu bi a wosu se odi apo ekọ dunkwa secondary technical center ewo Upper Denchira East mensirim won finfin mantemu enipa mienu yi eye Albert Adujan ene yaw adade ya wo mo ya checherefo ewo People Calvary ene Oxford Sunday Schools na wo chere wo mo wabra na ensosha amofra no echere no wa chere ho anu yie nyina wo de ekọ akoma adesuafo a wo chere BEC ensosha ewo center ho enema bia wo ho eye mobile phone mienu ene question paper womo aso awie sesei wode womo kwa posifo aso ya enche wode womo bekwa akogina court senti posifo enam sankrata yuso ebo bibia akokose wono mu a enam akwambone so ede apo ewura BC centers ahodo no aposifo ehunu womo a wobekire wom ama emra
na wo enkran ha eyela wireless center no wala dadukotopo mensimu no so a school for me no one more actual science paper no wie no de aka one man twere obu aketem ekọ emunchire mu Adom TV edeba.
We were all present since yesterday, but during gun 2 of them ran away saying they can't ride the gun, so they ran away without our knowledge, without even informing us. We went to the room to share papers and we find out that they are not around. It is their colleagues that are telling us that they say they can't write the language, that's why they have run away.
Onipa baako a wojina ma omanfo atone so aba ama MPP amanyoko no ewola dade kotopon Dr. Joseph Gerard Nyanyofio enso edin semse na tudwa.
And all the stakeholders must be concerned. The investment that has been made in these children, they are accounting for it, and we cannot gamble about that. So I came here, I've seen a very relaxed atmosphere. The children themselves have told me that they are very confident that they are going to pass in flying colors. And I'm very satisfied with what I've seen so far.
Enkwada wo afefro ne wona afefro so Awurade Adom wahye wo ma BC so we wo mu trebie ya no wo mo share complementary education agency ase no de wo mahunu be de bi wo mo kono ne Adom TV akasa.
Miana mepe mi yenkrabo nsem ena mekwan na mewe enti dako na mi person ka make school grad ena me madam ko ba ko kaka hye me say o mati school bi say e wo ba bi enti me mra meka enti mi senka mi nko bi efise na ma wo na so ma me kaka hye me say me so na me so me wo ena mi jai ko tena fi Timitina feeling na madam for be catch them say what is so much complementary education and I'm doing shame na kaka sana and then means matin BC
Wanusi and acting regional director with that complementary education ano ewo bonomantemu Ore Nicholas Ameyao enso echere aproba woko ye eni de wo hunu ye
nkwala dodo a omo betwura adesuafo no ye o mema no aduosonson ena mma aduosianum mma aduosianum ye mu aduonu ba ko omo ye nkwala maya o manu fie du nwotwe a o ma wowa ena ma wo no ntina o magya tifia nyame adom dwumadie we ye de bayi omo de omo ho abesem bia omo so wo ha omo twura nso bi aban
Yanko brekum mensimu wo bonomantam no monso a school for mu bi susu se 2 hours na wo de tro science paper no de e shadodo e shakura de ma wo mu fi se questions ne doso emre no susa oni Adom kase akasa
compose na as a wedding kakramanta compose na question 5 no so na wedding kakramanta
Maestro na wedding kakade yesu ana no pano so wala bitete that time na a sentient na so that I'm sure the baby say I'm